Have you ever stood in the egg aisle at the grocery store and wondered, what is the actual difference between brown and white eggs? Most people think brown eggs are healthier, more organic, or more natural. That's why they're usually more expensive, right? Well, the truth is going to surprise you. First, let's talk about the color. Does it mean more nutrients? No. The color of the eggshell depends entirely on the breed of the chicken. Generally, chickens with white feathers and white earlobes lay white eggs, while chickens with reddish-brown feathers and red earlobes lay brown eggs. It's purely genetics, like eye color in humans. Inside the shell, the eggs are practically identical. There is no significant difference in taste, nutrition, or quality. So, if they are the same, why are brown eggs more expensive? It's not because they are better. It's because of the appetite. Brown egg laying. Chickens tend to be larger in size, and they eat more food than their white-feathered cousins. Since it costs more to feed them, farmers charge more for their eggs to cover the cost. You aren't paying for more vitamins. You're just paying for the chicken's extra lunch. And what about that harder shell myth? Shell thickness is actually determined by the age of the chicken, not the color. Younger hens lay eggs with harder shells, while older hens lay eggs with thinner shells. So next time you're at the store, don't let the price tag or the color fool you. If you want to save some money, the white eggs are just as good as the brown ones. If you enjoyed this excellent fact, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more hidden truths behind everyday things.